is a highly recognized resort area in the central Algarve, about a 20-minute drive from Faro Airport, or 25 kilometers. The most popular way to get there is by a transport service or rental car. You could take the toll highway, the A22, but it's easier and quicker to take the N125 and IC4 highways. There is bus service into Villamora as another option. There's a bus station in Cortera next door, but also a convenient stop in the heart of Villamora. Villamora is one of the more established resorts in the Algarve, considered part of the Golden Triangle of luxury resorts and upscale real estate in southern Portugal, the Algarve, known for its tree-lined main avenue and public spaces. You know you're in an exceptional place as you travel the area. With its famous marina and nearby beach clubs, Villamora is the grand dame of the upmarket central Algarve. Yet Felicia Beach, or Praia de Felicia, stretches over 6 kilometers, running from Villamora all the way to Olhos de Agua. This unspoiled expanse of sand always has room to roam, even in high season. The marina area attracts people from all over and serves as a hub of activity in Villamora. Want to charter a sunset cruise? Visit the marina. Can't decide what to eat? The marina has every type of cuisine you might crave. Looking to people watch? The marina is definitely the place to see and be seen. And check out the luxury yachts moored there as you sip a libation while enjoying live music and overlook the walkways. Should you feel lucky, or if you're looking for international entertainment, try a show or game at the Villamora Casino. Villamora also boasts its share of world-class luxury hotels, some overlooking the ocean or on a lake, and others are tucked away near a golf course or other lush area, such as the Villa Sol complex. Speaking of golf courses, Villamora is home to 6 challenging courses and several tournaments, including the Portugal Masters, hosting the world's greatest golfers. With prime real estate located around the courses, Villamora is a lovely place to invest or live. As a stable and proven market, an opportunity to purchase here is an easy decision. If golf isn't your game, check into the Villamora Tennis and Paddle Academy. This large complex hosts both national and international tennis competitions, including Olympic trials and junior tournaments. Paddle has also grown in popularity, and there are social options for both sports. Even the restaurant is a very popular spot for casual gatherings. For younger members of your entourage, check out Aqua Show, a large water park with its own hotel for the convenience of visiting guests. Or take the family to the 2 18-hole mini golf courses, complete with bar and restaurant. As far as education goes, there is an international school for your children, or other public options as well, such as Escola Aboleira de Cortera and Escola Básica. For healthcare, there is the Centro de Saúde de Cortera, or Public Health Center. There are also some preferred private clinics, such as Clínica Particular and International Clinic Villamora. As the only shopping area with designer outlet stores in the Algarve, Mar Shopping is a notable center with both indoor and outdoor shopping, theaters, restaurants, and food trucks. With children's entertainment areas and fountains, as well as a health center, grocers, and nearby home improvement store, it's well worth the 15-minute drive to meet all your needs. Other food shopping choices includes several neighborhood mini-markets and larger grocers such as Pingo Doce. The hypermarket Continente is literally next door in Corteira, and the weekly outdoor market in Corteira also is the perfect choice for inexpensive and fresh local produce and fruits, as well as sweets, cheeses, flowers and herbs, and household items. So if you're interested in a well-established and thought-out community with lush green spaces and lots of outdoor sports and activities, explore Villamora. With plenty of year-round activity and popular clubs and social groups, Villamora boasts a central location and every amenity. For those looking for a reliable environment to live or solid investment to purchase, look no further than Villamora.